Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video. I am so happy you guys are back. I'm going to show you a DIY hair gel using only 2 ingredients. I'm going to add water to a pot and add my flaxseed. I only use half a cup of flaxseed and 4 cups of water. I allowed this to boil for about 20 to 30 minutes and I let it sit. I turned the stove off and let it cool down for a little bit before I strain it. Now you want to get this gel throughout from the roots throughout the whole hair, from roots all the way to tip, okay? And as you are going, you run your fingers through as you're combing them through so you can get the gel to get to every strand